Hello everyone, my name is Jackie and see you again. Today we are going to talk about the difference between router and the firewall. Some companies only have firewall and not router. So the question is whether firewall can replace router. Will firewall do have some of the same functions as routers? Let me give you an example. Both a bus and a car can carry people, but they have different focus. A bus has more seats, while a car is more comfortable. Similarly, router focus on forward data, which is why we learn about routing protocols like OSPF, EIGRP, and BGP when studying them. We mainly learn about how to build a routing table using these protocols. Firewalls also have routing functions, but they focus on security. They can block sensitive words or isolate specific areas of a network. We also use simple routing functions, like static routing in firewalls, but they can't handle large-scale routing protocols like BGP. On the other hand, routers also have some various protection functions, but they are usually not very advanced and only offer basic defense. So we usually choose routers to run routing protocols instead of rely on them for security purposes. That's all for today. If you have any other questions, send me a message and subscribe my channel. See you next time, everyone.